Hi there, Russ the Food Guy here. Today we're going to make spatchcock chicken. This will be chicken that's succulent, juicy, better chicken you've ever tasted before. And we've got some wonderful ingredients here to really marinate the chicken, give it a great flavour. Okay, let's get going. What we need to do first of all is turn over the chicken. Here is the backbone of the chicken. And what we're going to do is cut along the sides of the backbone here. Find it's fairly straightforward. That's one side completed. And now we do the other side of the backbone here. Okay, there we go. So there we have the backbone. We can leave that in the dish. We can cook that as well, that's pretty good. Now what we do is we take the chicken, we turn it over, and we just give it a good squeeze.
To make the marinade, first add a tablespoon of rosemary, 2 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a teaspoon of salt. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay, let's put the lid on. Give this a good mix.
Brush the marinade all over the chicken and then leave for at least 30 minutes or preferably overnight in the fridge. Now put it in a preheated oven at 190 degrees centigrade or 370 degrees Fahrenheit for around 50 minutes depending on the size of the chicken. Baste the chicken a couple of times during cooking. To be sure the chicken is cooked, make sure it has an internal temperature of 74 degrees centigrade, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Alternatively, use a skewer to check the juices are running clear. Cover with foil and let it rest for around 15 minutes. Succulent tasty spatchcock chicken cooked in less than an hour. See you again soon with more videos from Russ the Food Guy.